Now come to exercise question. A. Answer the question orally. First, what did Preeti Devi receive from the Prime Minister? Preeti Devi received Geeta Chopra National Bravery Award from the Prime Minister. Second, when did she receive it? She received in 2010. Third, where does she live? She lives in Nagaland. Fourth, how many brothers and sisters does she have? She have 3 brothers and sister. Fifth, what are the names of her parents? The name of her parent is Maibam Sarat Singh and Maibam Ongbi Hemabati Devi. Now B. Take the correct answer. First, Maibam Preeti Devi received Dash Award. Geeta Chopra, संजय चोपड़ा, भारत रत्न. माइबम प्रीति देवी ने कौन सा पुरस्कार जीता था? गीता चोपड़ा, ऑप्शन ए. Second, she became the source of inspiration to players, politicians, children. जो प्रीति देवी थी वो किसके लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत थी? चिल्ड्रन, ऑप्शन सी. थर्ड, suddenly something fell next to her feet, which was a ball, grenade, packet of biscuit. अचानक से उसके पाँव के नीचे पाँव की तरफ कुछ गिरा, वो क्या था? ग्रेनेड, ऑप्शन बी. फोर, शी पिक अप द ग्रेनेड एंड थ्रू इट डैश इन वैली. उसने ग्रेनेड उठाया और फेंक दिया घाटी की तरफ. आउटसाइड शॉप, इन द शॉप, ऑन द पीपल. आउटसाइड शॉप, ऑप्शन ए. नाउ कम टू summative assessment. First, fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. First, Devi picked up the packet from the counter when suddenly something fell next to her feet with a third. Second, she heard her mother shouting something to her dash she did not think twice about what she was doing. But third, her quick thinking and fast action saved many lives as the bomb blasted in the air long before touching the ground. Fourth, Devi got injured, but the injuries were minor as the grenade exploded just a few seconds after she had thrown it. B. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. First, Preeti Devi received the award from Indian Prime Minister. प्रीति देवी ने भारत के प्रधानमंत्री से पुरस्कार लिया था. ट्रू. सेकेंड, प्रीति देवी इज अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास थर्ड. प्रीति देवी क्या थर्ड क्लास की स्टूडेंट थी? फॉल्स. थर्ड, प्रीति देवी हैज़ अ यंगर ब्रदर. प्रीति देवी को एक छोटा भाई था. ट्रू. फोर्थ, प्रीति देवी लिव्स इन नागालैंड. ट्रू. फिफ्थ, नागालैंड इज अ नेबरिंग कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया. ट्रू. सिक्स्थ, वी शुड बी अफ्रेड ऑफ. Fifth, Nagaland is a neighboring country of India. False. Sixth, we should be afraid of militants. True. Seventh, Preeti Devi risked her life to save others. True. 8. We should help others. True. C. Match the following words with their meanings. Inspiration, किसी को इंस्पायर करना. उसका आंसर है मोटिवेशन. सेकेंड, ट्रेजेडी, कुछ घटना घट जाना. इसका आंसर है एन इवेंट कॉजिंग ग्रेट सफरिंग. Currently. तुरंत. Answer is at present. Utility. आवश्यकता. Answer is usefulness. Unidentified. अनजान. Answer is unknown. Ominous. डरावना. Answer is scary. Peaceful. शांतिपूर्वक. Answer is free from physical attacks and disturbance. Grenade bomb. Answer is a small bomb thrown by hand. Violence. Hinsa. Behavior which inflicts injury and can even lead to death. Innocent. Masoom. Answer is not guilty. First, what was Devi doing when a grenade fell near her? Devi picked up the grenade and threw it. Second, what is the name of her school? The name of the school is Nirmani Public School. Third, what did Preeti do with the grenade? Preeti picked up the grenade and threw it with her full force outside the shop. Fourth, what does she want to become when she grow up? She want to become a police officer when she grows up. Fifth, what did you learn from the story? From this story, we get a moral that always think for others. Grammar. Read the following sentence, join them with appropriate conjunctions and write the complete sentence. Preeti Devi has two older brothers. She has one younger brother. Answer. Preeti Devi has two older brothers and has one younger brother. Second, she helps her mother to look after her younger brother. Full stop. She helps her mother in running the shop. Answer. She helps her mother to look after her younger brother and she also helps her mother in running the shop. Third, some people were sitting in the shop, some people were standing outside the shop. Answer. Some people were sitting in the shop and some are standing outside the shop. Fourth, Preeti Devi started making tea. She kept her bag in one corner of the shop. Answer. Preeti Devi started making tea and she kept her bag in one corner of the shop. Fifth, Preeti Devi was very young. She was not afraid of the bomb. Preeti Devi was very young and she was not afraid of the bomb.